Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL launches website for companies Mediclaim scheme to help beneficiaries avail contactless service from home. And HiMass lights inaugurated at Coke Ovens department. Now the news in detail. On July 24, 2020, Steel Authority of India Limited has launched a unified and integrated website for around 1.2 lakh beneficiaries who are availing SAIL Mediclaim scheme. The beneficiaries include the retired employees and their spouses. Considering the current situation of coronavirus pandemic where going out may not be possible for elderly people, the company promptly acted to provide a one-stop solution for its retired employees who can now access the facilities of the SAIL Mediclaim scheme from the comfort of their home. Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, has all along been stressing to give focus on strengthening SAIL's hospitals and the healthcare systems of the company for the public as well as for SAIL employees. The beneficiaries can access this website either directly through the URL http://sail.mdindia.com or can access it through the company's main website www.sail.co.in, which also will have the link. All the resources pertaining to SAIL Mediclaim scheme like e-cards for members, guide booklet, details of all network hospitals and healthcare service providers, requisite claim forms and undertakings, relevant circulars and schemes, etc. would be available on this website's download section. The members would be able to view their profile and membership status, send pre-authorization claim intimation, lodge their claims online by uploading documents or ADRs, etc., and also monitor the status of their claim settlement on this portal. This will do away the requirement of physical movement of elderly people to avail benefits under the scheme with the click of a button. The new website will have functionalities for plants, units of SAIL, ex-employees, insurance agency and TPA, and details of Mediclaim scheme would be available on a live real-time basis on this website. The plans of SAIL will have a dashboard to view enrollment status and profiles of enrolled members. The internal resource persons of plans can update member details. The website would also facilitate submission of various claims and lodging of cashless claims in a paperless manner. A grievance redressal mechanism has also been provided on the portal where lodging of each grievance would generate a unique grievance registration number. Members would be able to track and provide feedback on the grievance resolution through GRN. This is company's unique initiative to reach out, engage and stay connected with its retired employees and their spouses. The contents and provisions of this website will facilitate delivery of quality healthcare services to the members of SAIL's extended family. 3 HiMass lights installed in Coke Ovens department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant were inaugurated by Mr. I. Rajan, CGM CONCC on 22nd July. Also present on the occasion were Mr. B.K. Khuntia, GM Electrical, Mr. Spiker Eka, GM Electrical, Mr. Bhimsen Naji, GM Operation, and other senior officers and employees of coal handling department adhering to the norms pertaining to COVID-19. It may be noted that poor illumination in coal yard and Tipler 1 and 2 areas was creating an unsafe environment. In order to provide proper lighting arrangement system in that area, 2 20-meter high HiMass lights have been installed at both head end and tail end of the coal yard, while one has been installed at empty side of Tipler 1 and 2. After installation of these HiMass lights, illumination of the coal yard and Tipler area has improved significantly, thereby enhancing the safety and ambience of the area. The low maintenance and low power consuming units will also lead to savings for the company. Well, with this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.